This is a limited edition, only 5 in the world. Remember not to touch my things, or you won't be able to compensate me even if you work your whole life.
Admit to stealing the wallet? There's evidence.
No, I didn't. I didn't do it.
Payment we agreed on.
This is it. This is my only ticket to change my destiny and get into the best school in the world. Hello, this is Mia. Hi, Mia. We're from the employment center. We found a tutoring job for you. Yes, I'll take the job.
Welcome, Mia. It's so lovely to finally meet you.
Hello, ma'am. I'm the one who contacted you.
You're so clever. Let's begin the lesson.
Yes, Mia. I called to apply for the tutoring job for your daughter.
I told you not to bother me.
Hello, sir. I'd like to introduce myself.
Is this the girl from the orphanage? Are you absolutely sure she's qualified?
Husband, Mia has the highest GPA in the class. She's highly recommended by the principal.
You should keep an eye on poor kids. They'll never be able to control their behavior.
Oh, Dad. I love this bag so much. Thank you. It's a limited edition.
I can give you anything you want. Even if you want to pluck the stars from the sky, I can still do it.
What are you doing here? Who gave you permission to come in? From today, Mia will be your tutor. Be a good girl and study with Mia. I didn't know how, but she managed to manipulate you so easily.
That's your mother's decision. I won't give my opinion. You listen to her. Trust me, it's safer that way.
I was already exhausted from seeing you at school, and now I have to see you at home.
Okay, I'm sure you won't last more than a week. You're the 99th one already.
This lesson will use formulas. Can you concentrate a little? Honestly, just try to follow along, okay? Please, just for a moment. You were born with a silver spoon in your mouth, but you also need knowledge. You can't rely on your parents forever. My dad earns more money than you could ever earn in your lifetime, so I don't need to learn this nonsense. This is a limited edition, only 5 in the world. Remember not to touch my things, or you won't be able to compensate me even if you work your whole life. I'm tired. Someone like you wouldn't understand even if I explained it to you. I'm gonna get a drink. I'm thirsty. I need to go wash my face. I suddenly feel dizzy. I'm gonna teach that kid a lesson. I'll teach you a lesson. Let's see how much you can endure. It's all your choice. Yeah. I lost my limited edition wallet, Dad. Someone took it.
What?
That's impossible. I left it right on the table, and she was the only one in my room. She took it, Dad. I know for sure. No, I didn't. You're wrong. Please, I didn't. It wasn't me. I didn't take it. Why is it in Mia's bag? It took my wallet. The proof is clear.
Save your lives for the police. Yes, hello? Police? I want to report a major burglary at my apartment in the Hera building.
Admit to stealing the wallet? There's evidence.
No, I didn't. I didn't do it.
The victim's family has accused you. Confess now.
I wish to bail Mia out. I am the wife of Mr. Sterling, the man who reported her.
Okay.
Who do you live with? Where are your parents? I'm an orphan. This house belongs to someone who helped me and has passed away, and they let me live here. Mia, I'm so sorry. I know you didn't take it. I know Lina was being mischievous. Tomorrow, you will still come to my house to tutor Lina. I will talk to my husband, don't worry. I just want that girl to disappear from my sight as soon as possible.
Hello, everyone. We have a guest.
Good morning, Mr. Sterling and Lina.
Do you know what you're doing, wife? You brought this little girl here again.
Why is she here?
Lina, the police have concluded that Mia didn't steal your wallet, so Mia can continue to tutor you.
Nah. Huh.
This is your mother's decision. Just do as she says.
This time, I won't give in to you. You should study seriously.
1 week later, the vocal competition began.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Next up is a performance by Lina Sterling.
Oh, mon amour, je t'aime! Sustained, powerful opera note.
Next up is Mia's voice. Please listen.
Quando avrò il tuo amor, la mia anima splenderà.
Where did this girl learn to sing? How can she sing like that?
I didn't expect him to sing so well. You should give up. You'll always lose to my singing.
You'll stay in the slums forever. Don't expect to escape.
I believe you will win this competition.
I don't know what the outcome will be. If I win first prize, I'll have a good opportunity.
You did a great job. Lina won this competition, all thanks to you. Payment we agreed on.
Why did I lose the singing competition? Why did the principal do this?
Decisions have been made.
You should accept defeat.
I'll release the video I filmed of the principal receiving money from Lina's father. I'll give you a place at the International Music School, a free scholarship. Just delete the video.
I need more than that.
I told her, sweetheart, you really think that's gonna work? OMG, that's hilarious. She had no idea.
Watch it, Charity Case. You almost spilled my $8 latte on your... Wait, are those thrift store shoes?